Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you recover deleted photos from Google Files C folder. So all you need to do is here on the fill, you want to first of all open the file manager on your device. When you locate it, so open it up, after which you want to simply scroll down and go to save folder. So now you just need to enter in your PIN, and this is where you'll be able to find your deleted photos from Google Files. So next, what you could do is if you're unable to find it on this section, you simply want to head back and scroll down a bit. You could find these storage, click on it, internal storage, and then here you could find compressed. You just need to go ahead and look for it, and there you could find the photos, or you'll be able to recover deleted photos from Google File Save folder. So this is another way of doing it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.